Hi, welcome to the React Recipe course brought to you by Pack Publishing. In this second volume, we are going to resume what we left from the first volume of the React Recipe course. My name is Diego Muraciole, and I'm from Montevideo, Uruguay. I'm a software engineer with a background working in large React and Flex applications for these past few years, and I also enjoy writing some own personal project that you can find in my GitHub account. In this volume, I'm going to try following the same methodology than the volume before, paying special attention about good programming practices and writing elegant code. Before start talking about Redux, let's review a little bit the current state of the application in which we're going to work in this course. You will find in the reference a GitHub repo in which you will be able to clone this exact same project to start working on top of it. This project is called My Recipes, and basically what it does is listing a list of cooking recipes here in the left part of the screen that you can click and see the detail on the right side of it. Also, what we can do is to add these recipes as favorite and go to our favorite page and see the ones that we have saved. Of course, you can remove them, and you also can go to a recipe detail page in which you can see the description a little bit bigger. And that's it. So let's review a little bit about the course overview. First, we're going to start talking about Redux, which is, in exception of React, one of the most popular libraries that currently people is using to build web projects. If you remember from our last videos, we shared some state between pages using the state API from the components and React Router, but that's not very scalable, so Redux is going to help us in that task. Then we're going to move forward into understanding and building our React middlewares. This will help us to maintain our code more elegant and don't repeat ourselves too much. Then we're going to move forward into talking about animations. There are plenty of approaches on how to animate components, and we're going to review them and see how they work. After that, we're going to talk about what higher components are and how to use, in particular with a library called Recompose, which I love and I use in my daily basis. At the end, but not less important, we're going to talk about how to deploy and where to deploy React applications for everyone's needs.